In this video, we will discuss the monster killer project we did, in which we wrote a write to log method in show log functionality. In it, there were if and else statements. So we will convert them to switch. So what I have done here in switch is I have passed event. In event, there is a case. Case is checking log event player attack. Log entry will remain as it is. And a new property has been added in object, that is log entry.target, which is monster. Then I added break. If I look at it else if, which was its earlier part, I have commented it. So my event is log event player attack. So this is equal in the if condition. So it will check it itself in case. Then what we have done is our case is log event player strong attack. So we have done it like that and used break at the end. Then we have removed else if and using this case have added break at the end. Then what we have done in default is there was no default. So we have emptied the log entry. If there is nothing, the log entry will remain empty and have left this like this. If we run it, refresh it and starting value is 100. Attack, strong attack, heal, strong attack, you won. And then let's show log. Let's inspect it. 37 is in console. Its events have appeared. If I open event like how it was before, event, final player monster health, final player health, target, value. So what we have simply done is switch cases. Like how we had else if statements, we have used switch in its place, and in switch we have used cases and have done it like this it was before. This is it for this video. Let's meet in the next video.